head is cut off now. It's pretty cool, I guess. Okay, aloha cousins. Welcome back to my channel. So, remember I said that I had Influencer, and so basically it's here. I'm gonna hide it, but this is my first unboxing from Influencer. So, I got their little box of stuff. So, came in this package today when I was editing a video, and then it came in, and then I filmed. So I'm gonna film it now. So it's gonna showing it this way because my address is in the front. I opened it to see what it was, so I never opened anything else. So we're gonna take it out. Ta-da! It's the Simple, Sensitive, Expert Water Boost Reverse the 5 signs of dehydration: dull, rough, tight, and dehydration lines. And it looks like that. Let's do concealer. See? So pretty cool. And then again, it's from Influencer. So yeah, let's open it. Like so this is what the snap. I will pick it up. Okay. So this is what the inside looks like. You get a little card. So it's the Simple, Sensitive Skin Expert Boost, reversing 5 signs: dehydration, dull, rough, tight, dry, and dehydration lines. So it basically tells you what you get. So let's check it out. So my phone is going off, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put this card here, and yeah, and remember, if it says log into Influencer, check out your Simple Lockbox 3 review, and use it and find out more products on simpleskincare.com. And yeah, so I will review it and see my opinions on it, and I'll test it out. So let's open the goodies. So you have the little paper thing, which I will throw over there. So the first thing I see is this is the Simple, Sensitive, Expert Hydrating Gel Cream with minerals and plant extracts. It's for intense dehydration. It's for intense dehydration. Does not have to mean greasy, sticky, or simple water boost. Gel hydrating, ultralight, and refreshing formula. So it looks like that. Refreshing formula throughout the day to deliver instant continuous hydration, leaving the skin smooth. And after cleaning your skin with water boost cleanser, smoothly gently put on your face and neck upwards towards the movement. So this is the cream. I don't have the cleanser. So yeah, but this is what it is. It's no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that you can use on your skin. So yeah, it looks like that. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. I'll put that back in the box. That was cool. And then I got the Dehydration Dry Simple Skin Water Boost Cleansing Wipe. So I'm gonna extract no chemicals or whatsoever. It's a cleansing wipes and instant. So this is what it is. It's the cleansing wipes, and I'm going to read it. It says, instant cleansing hydrate for your skin and our water boost cleaning gel. Infused with your skin minerals and plant extract, all wet, packaged with chemical and basically drench your skin. Waterproof. Oh, it'll take, oh, cool. So it takes away your makeup. So it gently lifts away your makeup, even waterproof mascara, leaving the skin fresh, clean, hydrate without leaving any sticky or greasiness. Dermatological tested, no perfume, no harsh chemicals. So actually, I can do more makeup videos now because I didn't have makeup wipes. So I actually have makeup wipes. Sweet. So I will test it out, and yeah. So this is what I got. I'm really excited to test it out. I'm actually gonna open this. I never really had, I normally have skin products, but I normally get them from my mom because my mom is a beautician, so she sends me stuff that I use. And comment down below if you really want to know what I use for my skincare routine. So It's really cute. It's a little small little bottle, and let's see. It doesn't really have a harsh smell to it. So this week or sometime next week, I don't know. But basically, I got this from Influencer. It's free. It's called the Sensitive Skin Expert Hydrating Cleaning Wipes with minerals, plant, and extract. No affiliated perfume or color or skin or harsh chemicals that upsets your skin. Don't flush me. And it's for dehydrated dry skin. And it this is what it looks like. Also, take it out. It looks like this. Ta-da! And basically, it also takes away. So I'm gonna read it back to you. It's a instant hydration cleaning skin with your water-based cleaning wipes infused with your skin essential minerals and plant extract. Our wipes are packed with clever, and it basically relieves makeup, even waterproof mascara, dirt, and leaves your skin feeling clean and fresh, instant and hydrating without leaving your skin sticky or greasy finish. And dermolecular tested, and this has no artificial perfume, color, or harsh chemicals on your skin. So yeah, I am going to remove my makeup, remove my glasses actually. Remove my makeup with this. Now I can't actually see myself because I am blind. So right now the screen is actually blurry, but I know that I'm focused. So yeah, let's have a little wipe right here. So let's review, take off my makeup. Now I'm gonna actually hold my phone in the air because I don't have a mirror in front of me. Like I said, this is the baby room. So I'm going to just have my phone so I can actually look at myself. So if you're actually not looking at the camera, I'm looking at my phone, just to let you know. So let's get through this. So I'm removing my makeup, and as you can see, that's what the tissue looks like, or the wipe. So I'm going to rub my eyes. Well, it actually does a pretty good job. I'm gonna switch my pen on film, and well, pretty good job. So you can see like the finish. So I'm gonna continue doing my face, and yeah. So as you can see, I wet my face and actually lifted the makeup pretty good. This is the finish, the result of the wipe. And it actually does leave my skin really fresh. And I'm gonna probably use a different second wipe just to make sure all the accesses come off. That leaves no remark on the skin. So this is not like the Neutrogena wipes that I've been using, and it takes like one wipe to like remove everything. So I'm gonna use dispose of this and probably use a second one just to make sure I remove everything. But it does actually make my face really soft and really like clean and refreshing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a second wipe and just make sure that I take everything off, because you don't want to have like actual leftover residue of makeup on you. So yeah, see, I use a second wipe. As you can see, I still have some makeup on me. Not much. As you can see, yeah, I still have some makeup on me. Not much, actually. The first tissue I used actually kind of removed the most of it. This is just the extra access of it. So this is actually a pretty good wipe. It's my first time using this, so Woo! And I dropped it. Way to go. I caught it. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to continue washing my face. Actually, it left my face pretty refreshing. It doesn't sting or burn. I really like it actually. Sorry for my cat in the background. So yeah, this is the first access. It removed the extra access, so it's not as bad. It's actually really good. It actually makes my face really refreshing. As you can see, my face is pretty clean and fresh. And it actually did a pretty good job. And it doesn't have a burning sensation, but it's like a cool, it has a cool fruit breeze on your skin. Feels really nice. My skin does feel really hydrated and actually feels really smooth and soft. It kind of burns a little bit because I was probably rubbing it too hard. But other than that, my face is really soft and smooth. As you can see, take off my glasses. It's kind of pretty clear. It basically leaves your skin really nice and fresh. I actually really like this. Actually, I don't know how much is in here. It seems a pretty lot in here, so if I kind of run out, I probably would use this. I recommend this. I probably won't recommend it because everyone's skin is different. But this is my first time using this, so I actually say yeah, you can actually use this one. I'm not going to say I recommend it because I don't want to recommend something to you and then not that you might not be right for your skin. But if you want to go ahead and try this, I think you can pick this up at your local drugstore, like maybe Walmart or Target or Walgreens or something, or whatever store that you can pick this up in the beauty area. But I do recommend this, and if you want to go ahead and try it, by all means go for it. But this actually is pretty good. It actually does the job. So you can see this one more time. Focus. Yeah, so it's actually pretty good, and I do like this. Oh, my cat is just meowing. He just wants attention. I don't know what it wants. Like, you have to comment down below the question of the day is comment down below 2 questions. Do you have what's your favorite makeup wipe, and do you have any recommendations? Have a discussion down below and let me know, and I can totally try it out. The one that I use is Neutrogena makeup wipes. I love Neutrogena. And also, second question is comment down below if you have a cat, just like me, who meows constantly and you don't understand why it meows. And it has food, it has water, but yet it still meows. Do you have that situation? Come here, you. Oh, and see, I try to pick him up and here into it. Grr. I don't speak cat, guys. I don't speak cat. I don't understand what my cat wants. Sometimes I understand, like I pretend that my cat, understands me, and sometimes he does, but in reality, he doesn't. Yeah, comment down below if you have the same situation as me. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's my review on the Simple Sensitive Expert Water Boost Hydrating Cleansing Wipes. Sorry. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up. Click the notification. My God, I can't speak. Notification button so you are notified when I upload. And yeah. And I'll start putting all my videos, links down below. And please click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification button so you are notified when I upload. And I love you guys to the moon and back. And mahalo nui noa. And join the Cousin Ohana, because Ohana means family. And nobody gets left behind or forgotten. I love you guys so much. Ahui ho. Mahalo nui noa. Catch you on the next wave. Bye.